Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called Albania. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here: network scanning, uh, SQL injection, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first, open the terminal. So you just type sudo su, enter your password. Then you just type your net discord minus I is 0. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So it's taking too long. Uh, yes, now I have successfully got hit my network IP. So we just type nmap minus t4 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address is 95. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So once we get the nmap result, we would like to go. So here, when I got nmap result, one is available with SH, another one is available with the 8008. So now let's walk to the our targeted IP address. So now we would like to utilize this. So just here. So enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.95. So it's not uh, a normal way. It's not Apache server. So 8008. We would like to visit this targeted IP address. So here it's like Mr. Robot. So I would like to go with the first as a directory buster. So just copy this one, come back here. So I would like to type here as directory buster and paste it. So now let's see here what else we can get it from here. So actually we are not getting any type of useful information except a JavaScript from here. So here, uh, first I would like to visit to the robots.txt and 26 is disallowed. And I would like to visit any one of these one or to go a further. So in that buster, I not yet get any useful information, so I'm just quitting here. So I would like to go with the nicto minus fetch. So I just type http enter your targeted IP address 18.95 to 8008. That's it. Now let's go to there. So let me open this as robots.txt file. So in the robots.txt file, so we need to visit only one of the targeted IP address. So enter your targeted IP address 80. So we would like to visit either one or one. So just copy. So we would like to look one by one very carefully. Paste it. So it's like look the page source, nothing else. Now let me look here, just copy. So I would like to visit one by one. So let me look here, what else I can get it. So it's in the same way. So where can I can get it this? So just right here. So either we would like to get 101 directory, so we would like to look here. So it's the same thing. There's nothing else as important. Then just copy. Paste it here. It's also a same way. So in which one we can get it? Uh, so it's a return or forbidden, return or forbidden. So we need to choose very wisely which one we can get it from here. So I would like to use all here. So 1, 2, 3. So I would like to utilize this one. So just copy. Then we would like to utilize this. So here is got. Is there any one bank is there? So we would like to look the pesos. I would like to go to this directory again. So just copy. So it's a little bit complicated. So now we would like to look. So you need to check everything here. So here I got something as here as an client. So go to an client. So here now I have successfully got it here. So to log in. So now how should I can log into this one? So to log into this one, it's very easy. So uh, what we would like to, so I would like to use like a SQL injection. So here I just write as R A equal to A. Now I just password, I just enter only one. Yes, I have successfully logged in here. So very secure bank. So sometimes SQL injections are be performed in any one of the things. So I would like to rise as a problem. So I would like to look here. So this is not going to be work out. This also not going to be work out. So it's written for non-forbidden with the port speaker. Okay, so you just type clear. So you just type ifconfig. So I would like to upload my Rever Shell. So just type as mousepad rshell.php. So I already have here as an Rever Shell. So let me look here. My IP address is successfully configured here. So just close this here. So just type your netcat minus lvnp1234. That's it. Now come back here. So in the problem, you just need to enter as one uh, like what you would like to know. So my balance is 25,000 euros. Uh, uh, so I just type as demo. That's better. So I would like to choose as home revershell.php. Just open this, then click on submit. So after we got image files such as upload a JPG or BMP. So I would like to need to go back here. So I would like to look here. So I would like to view the page source. Here have. So I would like to copy the link. View file.php, file equal to rshell.php. So just enter here and paste it. Okay, so it's entirely is available here, so I don't need to worry. So only images are allowed to get, including we hate hackers. Okay, no worries. So we just type here as copy rshell.php to rshell.php to as jpg. That's better. Now let's walk to close this and this also. Now let's walk to here. Problem 2 as walk. So we would like to browse rshell.php.jpg. So you just click on submit. So your ticket created successfully. Go to a main page. So problem 2. So I would like to uh, view the ticket. So I would like to view the pesos again. Once you have done the pesos, you just copy the link. Now we would like to paste it here. So I think I have successfully got the Rever Shell now. So you just type ID, we got it. You just type here which Python you have never got. So you just type here which Python 3 you got it here. So you just type Python 3 minus C, import a pdy span bin bash. So I have successfully got it here. You just type here list minus air. So let me go and enumerate in the home directory list minus air cd taviso list minus air. Okay, list minus air. So here no useful information. So now I would like to look here as, so just type as cd, so you just type as export as term equal to x term. So you just type clear. So now what we would like to do here is list minus al etc password. So it's have read and write permission. So I just need to do what I would like to do here is, so just type as cat etc as password, so I can directly get the root privilege access from here taviso. So you just entirely copy this one. Now come back to here. So I would like to better what I would like to do here is, so just type here, so just type as nano as password. Then I would like to paste it here. Then you would like to copy this one, copy and paste it here. So you would like to come back here. So in the X place, you just need to replace it. So something. So you just type file, new tab. You just type as OpenSSL. Now just type as for password -1 as salt. So enter as Alex. So I just enter password 123. That's better. So where it was created, so you just entirely just copy this one. Now come back to here. So in the place of root, you just paste it here. Now go back to here as a root. You just specify as your username as Alex. So yeah, that's it. That's it. Close. Now, uh, what we would like to do here is, so now come back to here. So you just type as cd atem directory. List means here. So now we would like to type here as python -f http dot server. Now we would like to go back here. So you just type here wget http and carry targeted IP address 18.35. Now we just type as 8000 as password, so which I have got successfully here. So you just type copy the as password to etc password. Now we just type as su Alex pass 123. So I have successfully got the root privilege access. That's it. So here nothing else. So now we would like to go to as cd root list -l. Now you just type here cat flag.txt. That's it. So this is an reptoid. So I have got the flag. So we have successfully completed this lab. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.